Hello friends, welcome to CEG Academy. Today we're going to see the MCQ related with building construction. So the first question, the compaction of the concrete in the drilled pile hole is done by the compressed air in the case of option A simplex pile, option B Franke pile, option C pressure pile, option D vibro pile. So the correct answer is option C pressure pile. Next question, pile foundation are suitable for option A waterlogged areas, option B soft rocks, option C compact soils, option D multi-story buildings. So the correct answer is option A waterlogged soils. Next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A inclined boring or made for taking samples under the existing structure. Option B inclined borings are occasionally used instead of vertical holes. Option C, the spacing of inclined boring is kept such that one borehole is vertically above the bottom of the adjacent borehole. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Next question, the inclined support at the end of thread and rise of the stairs is known as option A blister, option B header, option C string, option D beam. The correct answer is option C string. Next question, the brick laid with its breadth parallel to the face of the wall is known as option A header, option B stretcher, option C closer, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A header. Next question, the washer placed at crown at the arc is known as option A key, option B soffit, option C springer, option D hunna. The correct answer is option A key. Next question, in place where the soil is soft and has small resistance to flow the concrete, which one of the following types of piles is used? Option A vibro piles, option B pressure pile, option C Franke pile, option D pedestal pile. So the correct answer is option A vibro pile. Next question, crown is located at option A highest point at the extrodose of the arc, option B highest point on the introdose of the arch, option C skew back of the arch, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A highest point of extrodose of the arch. Next question, the undersurface of an arch is known as option A soffit, option B introdose, option C hunna, option D back. The correct answer is option A soffit. Next question, the brick laid with its parallel to the face of the wall is known as option A header, option B stretcher, option C closer, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B stretcher. Next question, you are asked to design and supervise the truss of the factory have a span of 6 meter to 9 meter. The type of truss you will use is option A Manchester truss, option B queen post truss, option C king post truss, option D collar truss. The correct answer is option C king post truss. Next question, in veranda floors, outward slopes is option A 1:40, option B 1:50, option C 1:60, option D 1:70. The correct answer is option C 1:60. Next question, in jack arch floor, the rise is kept option A 1/6 of the span, option B 1/8 of the span, option C 1/10 of the span, option D 1/12 of the span. So the correct answer is option D 1/12 of the span. Next question, the method of moving each brick through a small horizontal distance before it's finally laid in any brick wall and pressing it by means of brick hammer is known as option A dwelling, option B laying, option C grouting, option D placing. The correct answer is option B laying. Next question, black cotton soil is unsuitable for foundation because of its option A bearing capacity is low, option B permeability is uncertain, option C particles are cohesive, option D property to undergo the volumetric change due to the vibration of moisture content. The correct answer is option D property to undergo volumetric change due to variation of the moisture content. Next question, a temporary rigid structure having the platform to enable masons to work at different stage of building is known as option A scaffolding, option B dead source, option C racking source, option D underpinning. The correct answer is option A scaffolding. Next question, the floor constructed with 3 mm marble chips is known as option A mosaic floor, option B terrazzo floor, option C chips floor, option D marble floor. The correct answer is option B terrazzo floor. Next question, the local swelling of the finished plaster in terms option A cracking, option B dubbing, option C blistering, option D hacking. So the correct answer is option C blistering. Next question, expansion joints in masonry wall are provided if length exceeds option A 10 meter, option B 20 meter, option C 30 meter, option D 40 meter. The correct answer is option D 40 meter. Next question, the stone whose crushing strength at least option A granite, option B chalk, option C marble, option D slate. The correct answer is option B chalk. Next question, the portion of the brick cut across the width is called option A closer, option B half brick, option C bed, option D bat. The correct answer is option D bat. Next question, the type of bond in which every course contains both header and stretcher is called option A English bond, option B Flemish bond, option C Russian bond, option D mixed bond. The correct answer is option B Flemish bond. Next question, to support a heavy structure in sandy soil, the type of foundation generally used is option A combined footing, option B raft footing, option C pier footing, option D strap footing. So the correct answer is option C pier footing. Next question, the vertical slide member of the shutter frame is known as option A stile, option B revel, option C mullion, option D post. The correct answer is option A stile. Again, we will see next video. Thank you.